I'm sorry, I have a cold, so my voice will not be so nice. I'm talking about something that I'm working with. So after a general introduction, I will go a little bit deeper into our research. We have many challenges in the next future. These challenges are probably more than these in this picture. But climate change, urbanization, land use changes, community engagement, education, resource constraints are probably some of the most important. But biodiversity and ecosystem health is becoming probably the main issue in our continent and not. We know that a healthy forest is critical for any city that prioritizes environmental and social outcomes. And we have some key action to bring about, and therefore we have to set some targets. Targets are very important. Our targets are mitigating the urban heat island. Another target is stormwater management, which is becoming a real issue, especially in the Mediterranean countries. We are experiencing a long period of drought, which are interrupted suddenly by flood, torrential raining, and then reducing pollution. Europe is probably the continent which is most affected by pollution. Preserve biodiversity, and final, increase CO2 storage. And our targets must be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-based, because sometimes this target is not so time-based, like planting 3 billion trees or planting 1 trillion trees and whatever you want to plant. So we had to respond to events that already happened and more often in the future. We need to shift from of active, which has been mainly proactive, to a way of acting, being proactive, meaning that we have to seek and identify all the hazardous conditions that we will face and we are already facing in our world, and to analyze the